This is the new house. Now we're going up the stairs. And we arrive in the kitchen. Look at Smackula. This will be the kitchen. And there's a terrazza over there. This is where the real kitchen will be. There'll be an island, a peninsula, and the kitchen. And then on this wall here, there'll be a wall here where the stair is. There'll be furniture. This is the terrazza. It's nice and big. And we have a nice view of the church. Okay, back in. Then there'll be another stair going up to the 3rd floor. Upstairs. Luke will take you on that tour. Okay, go.
It's not recording.
Okay, right?
Non c'è niente da dire. Tieni, che passa? Dai.
Okay. So then this is the hallway. There'll be a sliding door here, probably glass. Here's the guest bathroom. The sink will be over here. And the shower is over here. And there'll be wood flooring and long white tiles. This is a big armadio. I don't know, how do you say that in English? I don't remember. This is another bathroom. We did a special little design thing here with drywall to make it more special. There'll be a cabinet like there, like a closet. This is our shower. Then the sink will go over here, and the toilet and bidet, and then this is going to be like a little lavanderia for the clothes washing. Look at Ow. This is my creativity room, where I'll put my sewing machine and my computer and everything else. And this is the master bedroom.